I'm cheating this morning. Yep, I'm not making fried taters from scratch. I'm going to have some of these hash browns dehydrated. So you just open this up, fill it full of hot water to this line, close it back down, and wait. I don't remember how long it says. And wait, and then put it in a pan. All right, they're hydrated, refreshed. Waiting for my oil to get hot. I think I should have cooked this in the larger Dutch cast iron skillet. Yeah, I couldn't flip it in one piece, so I cut it in quarters. Probably could have cooked it a little longer on that side, but I may turn them back over and let them cook a little bit longer too. All right, that's the hash browns. I'm tired of messing with them. So I'm going now to the refried beans. We got leftover beans from yesterday morning. I added a little bit of hot water to it, but now I'm going to put it in the pan and refry them again. Are you cooking for me?
I am.
What are you cooking?
Skitty, garlic butter, meatballs and spaghetti sauce, garlic butter on
The toast. Yay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Easy peasy.
All right, I'm cooking these are pork ribs that I cut up. I thought I had a pork butt, but I don't. They're pork ribs. So I cut them up into smaller chunks so they'll cook faster. And I was going to wait and use this with the beef roast. But I've got 2 of these that I need. Well, this one, and there's another one in my freezer. So I'm going to go ahead and I've got some corn tortillas. I think I'm going to put this in there. And it says beef bouillon. Of course, that's if you're doing beef. But I'm going to put a bouillon cube or 2 of these in there. And let it cook for 4 or 5 hours. And I think we'll have some tacos. And the easy Spanish rice. Oh, that looks good, doesn't it? I mixed it all in and put a little bit of water in there. All right. Let's get to cooking. Okay, I planned this whole meal around the sun. Yeah, because we're boondocking. So I am strictly running this off my batteries. Well, I'm using my inverter. Got it plugged in right there. And then my solar's taking care of charging my batteries. So I wanted to do this when my batteries were full and the weather showed that it was going to be full sun for 4, 5, 6 hours. So that's why I pulled this out of the freezer 2 days ago, I think. Well, I do believe it's ready. Looks good. There's our tacos. I wimped out on making the soft corn tortilla and making them fried tacos. I opted for just the hard shell.
That's good.
Is it good?
It's good.
Good.